Would you like to know how to set up Assistive Access on your iPhone? Then don't forget to watch this video until the end. So, as a first step, on our iPhone, we would need to open Settings, and then scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named Accessibility. So, we would need to open this tab, and then scroll to the end of this page where you should be able to find this tab named Assistive Access. So we would need to click on it, and then here click on this button, Set up Assistive Access. Here you can read a little information about this feature. After what, click Continue. Then as a next step, here you can see this information that this iPhone is assisted with a name, and here you can choose if you would like to continue with actual Apple ID, or you can change your Apple account by clicking on this button. So we would need to click Continue, and then as a next step, choose Appearance. You can choose or grids or rows. So I'll select the rows and then click Continue. Here as a next step, we would need to select apps that are allowed on the Assistive Access. Remember that the applications that you'll add here are the only ones that are available in the Assistive Access. So for example, here I'll add calls, where we can select from who we can receive calls and to who we can make the calls. So I'll choose anyone, and then click Continue. And I'll leave it as the only app that is available. Now we would need to click Continue. Here you can read some information about this feature. If you would like to read it all, you can pause the video and read. Now when we are done, we would need to click Continue. As a next step, here you can see also some information about Assistive Access and unlocking iPhone. So here you can click Continue or neither change the security settings. Then as a next step, we would need to set Assistive Access passcode, which will allow you to exit it. So I'll set easy passcode to not forget it, and then re-enter it for confirmation. Now, as a next step, you can set Recovery Apple account to get help if you have forgotten your Assistive Access passcode, but I'll skip it for now and click Not Now. Now you can see information how to exit the Assistive Access, and this is the triple click for the side button. So now we click Continue, and then here we can see that our Assistive Access is ready to use. Let's click on this button, Start using it, and here you can see that we would need to disable the SIM pin to use this feature. So I have disabled my SIM card pin code, and now to get started, we would need to go back to the Assistive Access tab, which I showed you way too before. And now here to get started, we need to simply click on the Start Assistive Access. So here we would need to enter the Assistive Access passcode that we have created a minute ago, so it's all ones. And now, as you can see, our phone is entering Assistive Access. And this is it. So basically, this is the feature, how the Assistive Access looks. As you can see, we got here available only one application, which is our phone, where you can find recents, contacts, and keypad. And this is it. So this is all the things that are available in the Assistive Access. As you can see, I can do anything instead of clicking the phone button. So now to exit the Assistive Access, we would need to triple click on the side button, which is also the power button on our phone. So let me just show you how it looks. I'll do a triple tap, 1, 2, 3. And now here we got settings for the Assistive Access. I'll choose Exit, and then we would need to enter our Assistive Access passcode. Now our phone is exiting the Assistive Access. This can also take a little time, so let's just wait. And this is it. We have successfully exited this mode, and now we can continue use our phone like before. That was it. I hope this video was helpful, and have a great day.